Alright, what is up, people? Atomic Tofu here. Today doing a review of Blokees Star Wars Galaxy version The Mandalorian blind box model kit set of 9. Got this kit from Gundam It. So the box, it's always confusing. I'm not an expert in this realm in any way, but it says blind box, but I got this because it said non-repeating set. A lot of things to like about this set, and just a little bit not to like, and you'll see straight off the bat. But I'll go over the main box first. So evidently there is a way for them to deliver us these sets without being blind box completely. Mandalorian is one of my favorite shows nowadays, IPs. I have some other figures arriving hopefully soon. I think I'm a little sick. I'm not sure. Allergies or sickness. Hopefully it's not too bad. Someone did also comment that if I could reduce the noise, but I can't because this room is only about 8 feet by 10 feet, and the UPS, the UPS, is right behind me. Thankfully, there's it's not hot. I have no AC in this office, but the UPS is running, so it does offer some white noise. Hopefully not too bad. Nice, Gundam It. So let's see here. Yeah, all the boxes look the same basically. So you have Mandalorian, the holographic foils for authenticity. They do come, I guess, wrapped. And then the sad part is, of course, you have to tear the boxes open. I was hoping to store each figure back in the box it came out of, but it didn't happen for me, or not going to happen. So all the boxes show Mando disassembled. These are all of the figures you get. I think also I put the extra bits into one box. Hopefully I can find that. Hopefully. Might be here, so let's get all of these out. See how I package them. So that's how I do it. Okay, get them all out. Be right back. Alright, so that wasn't so bad. Hopefully this is accurate. I'm not sure because I stored these away for a little bit. Anyways, so these are the only extra bits I have. I should get a Ziploc bag, put them all in. Stormtrooper bits, Moff Gideon bits, Grogu's one hand. Right, so I'll put those in the baggie somewhere. I think that's all there was. Each one, of course, gets its own little manual. Right. Manuals. And then character cards. Let's see, you got Boba Fett. Is it I-611? Grogu. Incinerator Stormtrooper. Right, so these cards are nice. Ahsoka Tano. Yep, Ahsoka Tano. Yep, Moff Gideon. The armor. Am I missing any? Hopefully not. Armor. Normal trooper. I might be missing. Nope. Yeah, I think I might be missing. Am I missing one? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I guess, yeah, I might be missing Mando's card. That kind of sucks. So I may have never received Mando's card. Oh, it is what it is. Each figure does have a base. Holding on to Blokees there. Mando. Nicely sized little figures. Nicely detailed as well. Gundam. Incinerator Trooper is pretty nice with the flame effect. And then I think for this kit you'd had an alternate set for Mando. You might have had like extra jetpack bits, I think. I'm not sure. Stormtrooper. 6. Boba. Very nice detail. Armor. I do like her proportions as well, very accurate to the main figure. Grogu, good, I guess. Good that he's oversized, right? So he's larger. Otherwise, he'd be tiny in comparison. Fake, not fake, a diorama, rock base. Ooh, I think I got all the cards. So if I didn't see him now, there he is, Mando. I probably didn't see him because of the camera. Mando's card. All right, thanks, guys. I think you take this off. I think. Yep. You do something. Yeah, something's gonna break. Replace this whole one. Yep. Replace that whole one. Oh, there you go. It's nice and stiff.